don't think it's a dangerous crime.
That is correct. We would be motioning the court to help the defendant no bond at this time.
What them a go do ya now? No link on the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. No link.
Greetings and blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, and you don't know, so the attacking boss there, NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. So, CMR story again, my viewers and subscribers. Because you don't know, say, I start cover this story. You understand from the start of this thing. And now when I say we are a lot of people like a backfire and I said this, I said that. But me, again, you get me, I say, me I tell lie, me I say this, me I wish all the way, me I say people is we out there. You understand? And just to share some stuff with you know, Zane, because there's just too much speculation. You know, so me I go rest the case here. Me not think me I go touch that story again. You know what I mean? Unless it's something really serious pertaining to it, where me I go touch it. Because there's too much. And I'm telling you already, say, I don't have time for people. I'm free for someone who wants about me. But if I was in the position, I'm say it already. Say me was CMR and me in a position anything like this, you know what I mean? Everybody knows say me is a public figure. Of course, people are going to blackball me, people are going to talk about me. I don't do nothing for bringing down nobody, but this is just a things are out there already. So if you don't read or do no research, these are things that are out there already. See? So for someone the way I say him still there lock up and this and that. No, him not there no lock up. Him there and ban. Him out. You understand? But there's a lot of restrictions with him. Which me have a footage where me I go share with you know, my people. You understand? But before me share the footage with you know, me I go just use the footage of anything. That's when him there in the court. You understand? Where the judge explained to him whatever conditions and this and that, and you know what I mean? Because people, I not do nothing for bring down or tear down nobody. What happened? I feed them life. You understand? Man and man, a big man, them put them life are in a certain position, and you know what I mean? So you can't say me I try to tear down nobody. You see me? Whoever put themselves in this situation, they are the one who tearing down their self, my people. You see me? They are the one. You see me? But they am all my one. Me are showing you this. So let me just read this thing here. You know what I mean? So and just go over this thing because we don't talk about these things already. So if you don't know, watch carefully and listen carefully, I don't know how to explain nothing more and tell you now. So let me just read this, then me just share the footage and just end the vlog like that. Judge sees, Judge knows. So it goes by from the start, people. Say on Tuesday, the arrest report for popular YouTuber Cushy and CMR Carter was shared online, providing the details of his arrest. His arrest had puzzled many people since the news broke that he was taken into custody on November the 2nd, 2024. So now listen carefully, you know. You see me? Tired of this. The report was shared by vlogger Voice of the Victims and has since been spreading like wildfire across the internet, shocking internet users with the information that Carter allegedly molested one of the minors at his home. So when I say me I spread this and I bring him down, me tell us me is another person who put it out there. The document from the Apoka Police Department detailed that the victim, a 13-year-old girl, is the eldest of the 4 minors at the property. According to the details, the victim suffered the incident twice in the past, and when it occurred the 3rd time, she reported the molestation to her school. The victim recounted that she was in bed when Carter entered her room and touched her improperly on her breast. He also allegedly pulled down her pants, revealing her underwear, and pulled her pants back up. The victim expressed that she did not want Carter to get in trouble because he is a good man, but she just wanted him to stop. The school informed the police, leading to authorities speaking to both the victim and Carter, who was later arrested following the investigation. Further on the report, Carter denies the allegations, explaining to the police that he found her in the room masturbating on the floor when he went to tell her to get ready for school. The document details Carter saying he ordered her to stop and go back to bed. Additionally, Carter made his court appearance on Tuesday, and footage of him in court was shared online. The video shows Carter speaking to the judge, ordering him to stay away from his house and not to contact the victim. You have no contact whatsoever with the listed victim. That means no contact whatsoever directly or indirectly. You will not return to the scene of the offense, the judge said. Carter was released on bond under these special conditions, which included him only going back to his property to collect his belongings under police supervision. So, if you can't understand, and me share all of these things already. So if you can't understand, now you understand. And only part is the court part. I never share no video and explain to you about the court situation. You see me? But as me say, people, we not do nothing for bring down nobody. I start covering the story from it went out there, went viral about CMR. You understand? Things do happen and me do talking over the first blog, but me say, so me can't say him guilty until him proven guilty. And there's a whole heap of different side to this, because he must say something and the victim must say something. You understand? So who is to believe? Him say him fine her as a here, and they whatever I do that, and him do that and put her back at bed and whatever to school, whatever. The victim is saying something different. So it's the third time it happened. So you understand? There's a whole heap of side to this, my people, which we all have to do understand. But when I go to my people, I go make you check out the footage of CMR. You understand? In the court, and you will see what go on there and what. You know what I mean? But on a real level, yo, I ain't bringing nobody or tearing nobody down. That's all I have to say. I'm just doing my job. I'm a blogger. He's a blogger, and there are tens and thousands of bloggers out there covering these things. So, you don't know. Peace out. Enough love, enough respect, enough blessings. And remember to do like, do share, do comment, and do subscribe. So, just check out the vlog, my people. And be good, and be great, and be safe. Attack.
It was on Bowie, correct?
Yeah.
And Madam Clerk has made note of that, and that will be agreed to. Shane Carter?
Yes, ma'am.
For review your probable cause charging affidavit that charges you with lascivious behavior, child, and I do find probable cause. We'll appoint the office. Well, actually, this indicates that you don't qualify for the office of public defender. Sir, raise your right hand to be sworn in. You solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, ma'am.
So this affidavit that I'm looking at says that you have take-home pay of about $55,000 a year, correct?
Say that again?
It says you have take-home pay after taxes of about $55,000 a year.
That's the calculation I made for this year. Per year we were doing, because I'm self-employed, I was doing well, but based on finances, I would see him this year.
All right, so you're in jail right now. Do you get any money while you're in jail from your job?
No, ma'am. What I do is
Just yes or no?
okay. No, ma'am.
All right, and you have VA benefits of $2,500 a month that you're receiving?
Yes, ma'am. And 13 something for schooling, but that ends in when this semester ends, which should be end of this month.
All right, that's the $1,300 you're referring to?
Yes, ma'am.
For testimony, I will find that he's got debts of $10,000. If he's incarcerated, he's not hurting the income currently. So I will find that he does qualify for the services of the courts of the public defender to represent him.
Thank you.
With respect to the charge, sir, of brutal lascivious behavior or molestation, state wish to be heard. This is, I don't think it's a dangerous crime.
That is correct. We would be motioning the court to help the defendant no bond at this time under Florida Statute 907-041 5D. We would be motioning for a pre-trial.
going to deny your request. I'm going to set bond, given what I'm reading in the probable cause charge. And I'm going to set bond, sir, in the sum of $7,500 with special condition that you have no contact whatsoever with a listed victim. That means no contact whatsoever. Directly or indirectly, you will not return to the scene of the offense. You'll maintain separate residences. In other words, you won't be living with the child. Do you understand that?
Roger that.
Oh. All right. Thank you.
Your Honor, he's just requesting a one-time return with law enforcement to get his things.
I'll grant that a one-time return.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yes, sir.